coming up in this video, we're gonna take a look out of license St. Thomas to see what the new asphalt paving look like, what it's feel like in St. Thomas, and also we're gonna take a look at the bridge to see if any improvement have done to it and much more. So stay tuned.
Yo, I know say El Rico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So I don't know what they doing now. So just do the do. Like, comment and share. And if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When I do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video, so please watch them out for my viewers. Manners and thanks for doing so. In the redevelopment of St. Thomas, we are in LYSSONS at this moment. So we are going to take a look what's going on in LYSSONS St. Thomas, because remember that the contract changed and the Chinese them take over now. So I guess there must be improvement. There must be some different, you know what I say? So let us all go and take a look what's going on in LYSSONS St. Thomas. Okay, viewers, you with me? Alright, up on board. We're gonna take a look to see what's going on, because something that I hear, I want to see for myself. And I want Uno to see too, okay? So let us all try on this journey and go and look and see what's taking place at LYSSONS. Ready? Let's go. So far from the start this video, viewers and subscribers, you don't see any changes. I don't see none so far, but we still go LYSSONS St. Thomas, okay? Remember, you know, we're still on our way going out to LYSSONS, because out of the hospital is always in our condition where me never like. I'm sure you tune already, so we are going to go out there go look, because we hear some improvement are going out there and road, asphalt and road, etc. But me want to see for myself, and I want all viewers and subscribers to see for ourselves, because we not take hearsay. No. Hearsay is not a good thing to take. It's not like if you hear things and I go say, boy, yeah, but you know, logic in your brain too much. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah. So let us all go and see. As far as me see, we don't see no changes so far. The same rough road, the same dust. All them people live out there, so we don't know they manage. The dust same way, but you see that the Chinese then take over. So there must be some improvement somewhere, somehow. So let us go and take a look. Okay? Come on, viewers, man. For the moment them take the contract from the local contractor, the Chinese them take it. See the check them take it. Them should have hit the ground running. Them places should not be the same way. Them places should never be the same way. Them should not hit the ground running, because this place have been suffering for how long. And I need them style here. So them should have hit the ground running. Well, viewers and subscribers, as you can see the asphalting. Yes, see, look, asphalt start from here, so I scan to what them say. Yes, it is true. Them say asphalting are going out here. Well, see asphalt here. Start from as I pass the bridge at Dumfries there, so. Yeah, up that little hill there, heading to the hospital. That's where the asphalt start. Asphalt paving start from there, so. So let us continue to see how far it go. Okay, viewers. So we see how far them asphalt too. Hopefully them pass the hospital, because that's a usual full of whole heap of dust and that never look right. Well, as far as me see so far, them pass the hospital, which is good. Yes, because me always a complain about out here. So how can you have a hospital over there and some more dust out here? So you get what I say, viewers? So them pass the hospital. We are continue to see how far this asphalt thing goes. So continue watch the video. Manners and respect. And viewers, me not tell a lie, it drives smooth and alright. Drive smooth and alright. Me not see, this is the developed area now. Me not see no sidewalk so far. I wonder if them more put any. Because this is a developing area. Me I tell you that. Yeah, with a license here. You understand? So far, driving on it, yeah, it's cool, alright. Level and nice. We are continuing now. Because we want to see where it ends or where it stops, okay? So viewers and subscribers, as you can see the asphalting stop here. So the reason why, because the pipe work don't finish here. So there's a PRV that they put in on your left pipe system. So that's why they have to skip here. So as far as me see them skip here, so and them start back from here. So we still are continuing our journey. So the sister we are seeing and want to say at the same time, viewers, let's go, man. We're not finished yet. We still are continuing our journey. We want to see where it stops. As you can see, it stopped here so again. So we're going to see if it starts no more else again. It stopped here so far. But as you can see, there are some pipe work that need to finish right here. So them can't asphalt here so until the pipe work finish so far. So we still are continuing our journey. Let us go and take a look on the bridge to see if any improvement upon the bridge or if any more asphalting upon the road. Okay? Chat with me. So this is the bridge as we're approaching before you reach the bakery in LYSSONS Center. So we are going to take a look on the bridge to see what I've done to the bridge lately. Okay viewers, let's take a look. As you can see, they mall it recently. Yes. So it's not really open to the public as yet. As you can see, them do some work on it. The last time I wrote here, so them never like this never done. So look more work done on it. Yes. You can see them mall it and then put up the siding. Yes, that done. And the top cast and all of them something there. So let us go and take a look down underneath it now, no? To see whatsoever done, if anything new, because the last time we been out here, so the bamboo them is still underneath it and all it, etc, etc. So we are going to go underneath it now to see what I've done. Come with me. So viewers, as I can see, yes, that is how it looks so far, but we still want to go into more details. Let's go more underneath. Yes, this is what we are talking about now. Look at the water space. So what do you think? This space can move water. When water run out here, so you know, an easy amount of water run out here at a LYSSONS center, you know. May I tell you that, viewers, when water move, yes, an easy amount of water. What do you think about this with a bridge? Do you feel it can carry the water? The amount of water run out here, so viewers and subscribers. No, honestly, I'm not joking. Water move out here so terrible, man. So just hope for the best and everything done smooth and nice. Okay, viewers? Or you ever have some unruly driver just like how you have some unruly pitney. All when they insist the road now, the thing now open and still a drive on it. Watch it. Jesus have mercy upon my Father. So we are still on our journey, heading more into LYSSONS. I've reached out at Johnstone crossing. If I reach this, I'm not see no more asphalt now, nothing more, nothing new. I'm just gonna turn right there. Okay, viewers and subscribers, if I reach out at Johnstone crossing, I'm not see nothing new because out there still remain the same. And as me I say from the Chinese then take over then start hit the ground running. Yes, then put up little asphalt, yes, we not say no. But to them that place I did out here so long I suffer. And no work now done. Now you come and you change the contract. From the contract you hit the ground running. As you put touch the ground you feel run off. Talk to me viewers. Them places will remain the same man. Anyway, we still go out somewhere go see why there's nothing new out there. If we reach a Johnstone cross, I mean that's nothing new. But just go turn back right there. So honestly viewers. Honestly viewers, me don't see nothing new. The only thing I see, yes, them put on a little piece of asphalt there. 2 different places. Yes, and then put the asphalt at the hospital. So if you start asphalt, I guess that's the best. At the right place to start from by putting some asphalt, yes. Because right for the hospital, you can have the amount of dust and sick people them do over there, so take the credit for that. But differently, I just see that they them do look more work on the bridge too also. But what? Nothing. Same way. Me not see nothing. Comment down in the comment section and tell me if you don't see anything. So me a spin back right here, so you know. Viewers, let me not say me go no further because I'm sure no nothing that they grow on a prospect ground, so nothing more. I'm sure of that. I'm certain of that, viewers. Okay, viewers? So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, you all tried with me go to LYSSONS, so I want to see what you think. As they say, yes, then put on a new piece of asphalt right from out of the hospital, which is good. And we love that. You understand me? I say, and them do look more work on the bridge. But what else do you see, viewers and subscribers? Comment down in the comment section. Remember, that's where you speak your mind. That's where you get active. Down in the comment section. Okay, viewers and subscribers, speak your mind there. So it's a bless up to each and everyone that playing their part, that growing this channel from strength to strength. Remember, 0 we start from, sky's the limit. Okay, viewers, so it's a thank you all, for tuning, for watching my video. And if you leave a like, thank you very much for leaving a like. If you leave a comment, that's where you get active. And if you watch out the ads, me bless up, man. Thank you very much. And if you're new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to the family. So what I say, so see you people in the next video, Safe travel on the gravel, I'm out. This is the hospital road.